In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an out-of-office reply in Outlook. This is a handy feature that can ensure you maintain open communication even when you're out of the office. Whether you're stepping away for a few hours or off on a week-long vacation, setting this up only takes a few minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Outlook account. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the calendar section. You can find this by looking at the left-hand sidebar where Outlook lays out its various function options. Just click on the calendar icon. Now in the upper left corner of your calendar view, you'll see a button labeled New Event. Go ahead and click that to start creating your new out-of-office event. Next, you'll need to select the date for this event. This is done using the date selector in the upper right corner. Depending on how long you'll be away, you can specify whether you'll be out for just a few hours or an entire day. If it's a short period, set the start and end times accordingly. For those planning to be away the whole day, there's an option labeled All Day, which can be ticked off conveniently. For absences longer than a single day, you'll see a drop-down menu that initially says 1 day. By hovering over this, you can choose more extended periods. If you need to customize the date range, for instance, you're going to be out for about a week, select Custom from the drop-down and manually set the dates according to your schedule. Once you've determined the time frame, click the Free label at the upper corner. You'll get a drop-down from which you should select Out of Office. Marking yourself as out of office informs others that you won't be available to respond to emails or meetings during this time frame, as it reflects your unavailability across Outlook. After that, it's time to add a title to your event. This could simply be Out of Office, or perhaps a bit more detailed like Family Vacation or Business Trip. Filling this out helps anyone looking at your calendar understand at a glance why you're unavailable. Don't forget to add any additional notes or descriptions if necessary. Perhaps you want to leave a note for colleagues about an important file location or contact person in your absence. This is the place to do it. Finally, once you have everything set up, click Save. That's it. You've successfully scheduled your out-of-office reply in Outlook. By spending just a few minutes setting this up, you're helping to maintain seamless communication, ensuring that your responsibilities are well managed even when you're not at your desk.